Hello everyone, today we have a 2016 Honda Accord Touring. A super reliable vehicle. And it is running smooth, so we'll go ahead and take you for a tour. This vehicle does have a clean title and clean Carfax. And those LEDs don't flicker to the human eye. That's just a refresh rate of my camera that's doing that. See, it does have painted alloy wheels. Also has a sunroof, dual exhaust, and a spare tire in the trunk. See, it does have the V6. Got a tan pinhole leather interior. So it does have two driver presets. A shot of the VIN right there. There's the Econ right there. As you come down here, see that it has 51,588 miles on this vehicle. Here are your sensors for your lane departure and parking. And then you have your audio, your push to talk, your stereo, your cruise control. So you come over here. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn this down a little bit so that can help you hear me a little bit better. Suffice it for you to know that this stereo works well and that this air conditioning is blowing well. All right, so you have push button start. You have two LCD screens right here. Okay, so we can jump over to the map for navigation. We can jump over to audio and go through the sources. You see that you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD. Then you also have USB and auxiliary. And if you want to see the backup camera, here's the backup camera. There we go. Okay, as I mentioned, here are your comfort controls. You also have heated seats here in the front. Here are those, your shifter. And down here you have your other stereo ports. And you got a power outlet down here. Cup holders, shifter, let's see, and additional power outlets and USB ports as well. Then here you've got your glasses holder, map reading lights, and your sunroof. So that about wraps it up for this Honda on the interior. As I mentioned, this vehicle does have a clean title and clean Carfax. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.